Welcome to AskKeyGeek.com. We publish nuggets of RPA and AI-related videos every week. If you are a first-time visitor, or not subscribed yet, then please click the subscribe button now. As we know, there's always two sides to every story. In this video, we will look into two sides of artificial intelligence, basically some of the contrasting statements on artificial intelligence. Also, we'll have a look into what is important for us. Let's start with one of the statements by Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the co-founder of OpenAI. In your AI journey, mostly you will come across OpenAI, a non-profit research company that aims to promote friendly artificial intelligence. He is a well-known technology entrepreneur, and co-founder of many technology companies like SpaceX, Zip2, PayPal and so on. During a 2014 interview at the MIT Aeroastro Centennial Symposium, Elon Musk spoke about artificial intelligence as the most serious threat to the survival of the human race. Also, he described the creation of artificial intelligence as summoning the demon. On the other hand, Andrew Ng, the chief scientist at the Chinese web search giant Baidu, and an associate professor at Stanford University. He is also the co-founder of Coursera, and a well-known expert in the field of deep learning, machine learning, and AI. During the GPU Technology Conference 2015, he told to the engineers that worrying about the rise of evil killer robots is like worrying about overpopulation and pollution on Mars, before we have even set foot on it. He also said, an evil AI enslaving human was an unnecessary distraction. Another important statement is by IJCAI, International Joint Conferences on Artificial Intelligence, on their letter, where it mentioned AI technology has reached a point where the development of autonomous weapons is practically feasible within years, not decades. Whereas, Professor Stuart Jonathan Russell, a computer scientist known for his contributions to artificial intelligence, has a different viewpoint. According to him, if one is worried about losing control over AI systems as they become smarter, maybe it's not a good idea to turn over our defense system to them. One of the other statement is on the autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars. Hugh, a cybersecurity lead, warns that if the hacker community could start to target vehicles, we can imagine a fair amount of chaos. If just 1 in 100 vehicles, or 1 in 1,000 gets interfered with, and ceases to operate as planned, then we can expect chaos on the roads. We don't want to be there. That's why cybersecurity of autonomous vehicles will be critical. On the other side, a Google spokesperson stated on the self-driving cars experiment as 13 minor fender benders in more than 1.8 million miles of autonomous driving. Not once was the self-driving car the cause of the accident. You can have a check on Google's WAYMO self-driving car project website for more recent updates. So, what stand should we take on artificial intelligence now? None of these statements are to prove whether AI is good or bad. There are many such alarming as well as supporting statements on AI. Both the sides are equally important. As we are currently in the very initial stages of AI, we cannot ignore one for the other. Yes. One thing is for sure. AI is going to stay here for long. It could even change the future, how computers and the internet changed the world. The earlier you get into the world of AI is the better. In fact, now is the right time, as AI itself is in its initial stages. Demand for AI professionals have been increasing exponentially year after year. PwC predicts that artificial intelligence could add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Start your AI journey today. Watch our previous videos, in case you want to know the prerequisites and resources for learning AI. Thank you for watching and have a happy learning.